Hello po, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So, this is for June 21st to June the 23rd reading. Cancer, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Cancer, kung gusto niyo po no ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At may mga readings din po tayo doon, no? So, Cancer, I want you to know is that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, magsimula na tayo, Cancer. Wow. Parang kaparehas to ni Libra, no? So, Cancer, if you have a Libra, person in your life, no, you might want to check. I feel like halos iisa, no, itong oracle cards nyo. Pwedeng sinasabi nyo, bakit kaya ganun na lang ako ka-love, no, ni person ko? Anong ginawa ko nung past life, or anong ginawa kong buti, no, to deserve all of these blessings? Doon naman po sa mga may issues, no, sa kanilang romantic life, I feel like iniisip ninyo, paano ko susolusyonan, no, itong, or paano ko mababago, no, itong course ng aking buhay, no, with my person, kasi nafe-feel ko unti-unting nawawala si person sa akin. Pero hindi ako bibitaw ng ganun-ganun na lang, no? I'm going to give this fight a good fight, no? If it requires, kahit my last breath, I'm going to give it, to this commitment. Ganun mo kamahal itong si person mo. With the Knight of Wands, the Eight of Coins, and the Magician. Dito ko nakikita yung perseverance, no, ni Cancer. Kung hindi man ito ibigay sa akin, at least I am doing something to achieve it, no? Kumbaga, kung hindi ako mananalo, no? Let's say hindi ako mananalo ng TV sa raffle, mag-iipon ako para mabili ko yung TV na yon, 'di ba? You're paving your own way. Ang maganda naman kasi, no, kay Cancer is masipag siya when it comes, kung nakafocus siya lalo sa isang bagay, hindi pwedeng hindi niya yun magagawa, 'di ba? Especially Cancer has this ability to manifest, and it's not just about daydreaming, no, unlike the other, water signs. Let's say Pisces is the most dreamy of all. No, kahit medyo emotional itong mga water signs, may mga pagkakaiba naman sila, no. Pisces is more of a dreamy side, and Cancer is more of the 3D side, no. May mga touches of, yeah, nagde-daydreams din ako, pero I'm more into work. Pisces can get lost of the dream state, no? Hanggang di sila nakakakilos. It's Cancer who kind of like dig in, no, into the, kumbaga, i-isolate ko yung sarili ko for a little while, pero lalabas ako to get something, no, to make it come to fruition, no. Kaya nga meron akong hard shells, no. I'm created in this to be tough, to be strong, to become a fighter, no? I'm seeing also, wow, the Five of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. What I am seeing in here is more of mas pinaglalaban natin ngayon. Itong goal natin, no? I can say that this is more of a goal than the dream, no? Goal. It's more of that because you're doing something. And I believe that there is an aha moment in here. Parang, uy, nakakita ko ng solusyon. Uy, nakakita ko ng, let's say, sabihin natin ng um, solution, resolution, more of answers, no? Um, I think that there's something here that you also found out. You know, for a few numbers of you, you find something that you might be in a third party situation or papunta na sa third party situation at hindi yun pwede. No, um I'm working on to these connections para, maangkin ko ang dapat para sa akin, no? I think for a few numbers of you has issues with their relationship. Um, Siguro this is more of you. Should I hold on to the connection tightly or should I let this person go? Um, or let them free because I know na babalik din naman sa akin itong tao. No? Alam ko na um, we are meant for each other. I think that your um, strategy as of the moment is hindi maging madamot sa hinihingi ni person. If my person wants freedom, by all means go ahead. No? If my person wants some me time, by all means go ahead. No? Um, there is an aha moment in here na sabi mo, ito yata ang kailangan. No, I've been handling and driving the connection all throughout. No, I think I also deserve some me time. Now, Nine of Pentacles and the um, High Priestess. This is what I'm trying to say. Kind of there is an intuition in you. This is how you're going to resolve the issue and to harvest happiness. Um, with the Seven of Cups, the Emperor, and the Ace of Wands. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, no, na Cancer, I feel like this is the time for you to be passionate. And I think what you're doing in here, your strategy is to hook the person by becoming aggressive when it comes to bed, no? For a few numbers of you, the passion is being initiated by cancers. Um, sort of kung dati hindi ka masyadong touchy, no? Hindi ka masyadong expressive, para makuha kita, no? Para mahumaling ka uli sa akin, no? Or para hindi ka na tumingin sa iba, no? I think there are changes in here that cancer is doing more on the 3D side like what I mentioned para hindi na nga makalingon sa iba si person. And I think that you're going to succeed when it comes to your strategy. So Cancer, this is your reading. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ni person, no? Para ma-identify natin if this reading is for you. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Aries, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Capricorn. Yeah, so that is your reading. So Cancer, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, no, that is Babaylan TV. At nagla-live din po tayo doon, no? So kung gusto niyo po sumali, you're very much welcome. And kung hindi nyo naman po siya natsyempohan, edi sa comment section po, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, by all means go ahead, no? At kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy naman sa yes or no na sagot lang, sa comment, sa description box, meron po dong link. So there is a link, all you just have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. Mariroute po kayo dito sa aking website, no? Sa website po, meron po dong drop downs. All the information is there. We have one question, the amount, the mode of payment, no? Two questions, drop down the amount, the payment. You can, put a combo in there. But we have a promotions of 4 questions plus one, no? So that's already a discounted price. And if you also want to avail, no, itong private reading, nandun po yan sa description box. So this is your reading, Cancer, Love and Light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just